I am going to show you how to use the new Cornerstone Performance Solutions web application. So as you can see, I've signed in and this is the landing page. I have one project or program. It has not been started yet. When I click here on that, I can get into see how many modules it has. In this case, it has one module with 28 components and the estimated time. Clicking on that module takes me to all the modules. These icons indicate what type of content you'll be viewing. This one is HTML. This is an activity. Going down, here is a document, another document, and scrolling through. And here is a think tool, as well as an impact survey at the end. You can filter by whatever you want to see, so just the activities, or if you just want to see the documents, you can filter. Turning back to this, essentially the biggest thing I want to show you, other than the normal functions, is the think tool. You can also go into the tools, and here is a think tool. Launching a think tool, we'll launch it. Let me wait for the internet. And here is a typical think tool, which you can click on and enter anything. I'm going to save this, and you can return back. Here you would save the name of this version of the think tool or instance. Okay. And here's the version. You can then click on restore to see that version again. You can see there's my test. And once you finish the think tool, you can complete it. You can overwrite it or save a new version. I'm going to overwrite this one. Now it's ready for review. However, we haven't got a coach yet. So I'm just going to go to coach. This is a coach view. And he has signed up for the same, for a Business Acumen Deliver Value Program 1. Clicking on that, he will go into users. He'll add a user. So I'm going to add the user. And that user's been added. Returning back to the learner, I'm going to refresh the page. And you can see I've got an invite, a message. In the message, here is an invite from my coach, which I can click on, and I can accept that invite. And that message is now read. Okay. So now I have a coach. As you will see, if I refresh the coach area, the coach now has me as a user and sees that I have one think tool to do. But there's nothing that I've done, so he's waiting for me to submit. Come back. I can now submit this for review. Here I can rate the confidence level that I feel I am at on this particular think tool. And I can submit it. And there it is, pending. Now, on this, the coach will get that. So if I refresh the coach, he will see on this page that he has one user and one pending. And he comes back here, you can see that it's pending, and he can view this user now. Here's the think tool, still pending, and there's one message for him saying that the students accepted the invitation. So open that. Cool. And I can view the think tool, and I can see the student's rating here. he said he felt average. Right? Then I can open this. I can see exactly what the user wrote, check it out, close it, complete it to say I'm ready to review, and rate it on quality and completion. So I didn't complete very much there, and quality was low. Submitting that back, I can see here, the coach can see what he wrote, who rated it, he reviewed it. Turning back to the learner would come back to the site and see that his Think tool has now been reviewed. You can see the coach rating and also what he got, as well as if what the comments were and who the coach was that rated it. And he can review what he actually wrote. At this point, you can click to create a new Think tool, brand new. Save that, and I can return back, save a new version of that same Think tool, and make adjustments and submit again once I'm ready. If your program has assessments, you can see those here, and the tools are there. And that is essentially how it works. You will see that anything that you do from the system, like a document, documents have additional functionality in the fact that I can actually do highlighting and have a lot of controls on that. And my annotations are actually saved in this list over here, and I can return to them. There's quite a few functionality items in this. You can do little sticky notes, comment, save, and you can reduce the size of that, you can move things around, zoom, etc. Closing that. And then you'll see that that is now complete. And then here is a survey, which is slightly different, and I can do an impact survey where I have to finish this. And once I've completed that, I'll just go through the questions quickly. You can see the progress across the bottom and at the top. And we're complete. I can submit the survey. Upon submission, I can close it. And it's now complete. And that is complete. All annotations are saved and can be viewed on any device. So if I return to that document, you'll see my annotations. Or not.